Welcome to the 3D Mechanical Design channel. In this video, we'll go step by step through building CSWA Practice Model 1.15 in SolidWorks. You can download the model file from the link in the description. Before we begin modeling, let's quickly review the drawing. Start by checking the units. Make sure your document units match the drawing. In SolidWorks, you can verify or change them directly from the status bar in the bottom right corner. Next is the recommended feature used in this model. For this model, we'll begin with an extruded boss. Now check the location of the origin point shown in the drawing, marked as a red point. The first sketch should start from origin. Also, note the final part volume. It should be 45,867 cubic millimeters. Use this as a final check to confirm your model is correct. Here's the plan. First, we'll model the middle section shown in green. Then, we'll create the front bracket shown in blue. Finally, we'll build the back bracket shown in red. Let's get started. Let's start by checking the units. We're set to mmgs, which is correct, so we can continue. Select the front plane and begin a sketch. First, we'll create the middle section of the profile shown in green. Now, add the key dimensions SAD face. Width is 40 millimeters. Height is 65 millimeters. Set the angle to 30 degrees. And define the protrusion as 10 millimeters. Add a 35 millimeters dimension to the corner. For the protrusion height, it corresponds to a 2 radius of 7 millimeters, so the total height is 14 millimeters. Once all dimensions are applied, the sketch should turn fully defined. Next, use extruded boss with a length of 20 millimeters. The central body is now complete. Moving on to step 2. Before we continue, if you find this video helpful, feel free to like and leave a comment. New videos are posted every week. For step 2, we'll create the blue bracket. Select the front face of the part and start a new sketch. Draw the shape of blue bracket. Draw a 6 millimeter circle. Then, from the same center point, add a second circle with a diameter of 14 millimeters. Connect the horizontal line and make it tangent to the outer circle. Then connect the bottom line in the same way. Add a 45 mm dimension from the center and set the angle to 65 degrees. Use the trim tool to remove any excess geometry. Once the sketch is ready, apply extruded boss with a depth of 5 mm. Make sure Merge Result is enabled, then confirm. The blue bracket is now complete. Now let's move to the final step. For step 3, select the back face of the part and start a new sketch. We'll create the red bracket profile. Begin with a corner rectangle. Let's change the left side of the rectangle to construction line. Add a 15 mm dimension to the rectangle. Then, in the middle of the construction line, draw a circle with a diameter of 7 mm. Draw and center point arc from the center of the circle. Once the sketch is fully defined, apply extruded boss with a depth of 5 mm. Again, ensuring Merge Result is enabled. Click OK. The model is now complete. Let's verify it. Check the origin. The origin, it matches the drawing. Now check the mass properties. The volume is 45,867 cubic millimeters, which matches the expected value. That confirms the model is correct. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.